Let's face it, we want skin that looks and feels healthy at the same time, and we're willing to do whatever it takes to make it so. Scrubs, lotions, and masks galore, here's how to make Kiehl's Creme de Corps. Kiehl since 1851 was founded in the year, you guessed it, 1851. What started as a single pharmacy store in Manhattan has become one of the most highly coveted skincare companies in the world. If you're heading to a Kiehl store, you're bound to run into Mr. Bones, the store's mascot, and a motorcycle. Yep, there's a motorcycle in every Kiehl storefront. Initially, this was a way to draw men in while women shopped for products. Also, a clever way to introduce the exclusive line to men. Everything needed to make Kiehl's iconic Creme de Corps is delivered directly to their facility in Piscataway, New Jersey, where the plant is powered by 100% renewable electricity. Here, the product is made with a wide array of ingredients guaranteed to moisturize your skin. One of the key ingredients is cocoa butter, which gives the cream its delicious scent. The cocoa butter is broken apart and weighed with other dry ingredients to the exact amount needed for a 10-ton batch of creme de corps. That's a lot of butter. The materials are then sorted into the amount necessary for a single batch. Then they're taken to the mixing room. In the mixing room, all of the ingredients are poured into the 10-ton mixing vessel. First up, glycerin, sesame oil, and apricot oil go through a machine that works like a straw, pulling in the material from the bottom of the barrel and adding it to the vessel. Aloe juice, sweet almond oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter are poured directly into the top of the mixing vessel. In between adding each ingredient, it is important to follow specific instructions, since the mixtures alternate between being heated and cooled, kinda like baking a cake. In the beginning stages, what is mixing inside the vessel doesn't look like lotion at all. It takes 4 hours of mixing, heating, and then cooling for the batch to begin looking like the yellow cream you get in your bottle. Now it's ready to be tested. Chemists test the viscosity, or thickness, of the product to make sure its consistency meets all of the necessary standards. Once the lotion has been approved, it is sent to the packaging and filling department. Here, an assembly line fills bottles with the creme de corps. Then the iconic Kiehl's label is added to the bottles, and they are packed into shipping cases. But wait, there's one more step before you're able to purchase this little guy. Ever had one of your beauty products burst in your suitcase? This can happen if pressure drops too low in the cargo area underneath a plane. Kiehl's employees perform a vacuum test, so you can rest easy knowing your bottle of Kiehl's Creme de Corps is safe and sound. The test is conducted by pumping pressure into the device to see if the bottle will withstand negative pressures up to negative 25 inches of mercury. Once they pass the vacuum test, they're ready to be shipped. Finally, your Creme de Corps is on its way home. Last year, Kiehl's produced over 1 million ounces of creme de corps. That's equivalent to filling a tower of 1-gallon milk containers stacked to the height of the Empire State Building, 3 times over. So if you aren't already on the bandwagon, Kiehl's will provide the moisture and the vintage Harley Davidson to set you on the road towards happy and healthy skin. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. To subscribe to Refinery29, click here, and to see more videos, click here.